Everyone come and say blessed Fateh that has been given to us by Shri Guru Gobind Singh Ji and say Vaheguru Ji Ka Khalsa, Vaheguru Ji Ki Fateh. Before I begin with my speech, I would like to extend my heartfelt congratulations to each and every one of you who are partaking in commemoration of 27th World Peace Day at Tapovan Takki Sahib. First of all, I would like to mention that it's Sant Baba Darshan Singh Ji Khalsa's birthday that we celebrate as World Peace Day. Nowadays, it's disheartening to see that some people choose to celebrate their birthdays by indulging into bad behavior that disturbs their mental peace. However, Sant Baba Darshan Singh Ji Khalsa spread meaningful message by shifting focus from personal indulgence to collective well-being. In today's fast-paced world, life is too busy and people are searching for peace on mountains, at beaches, on seashores, etc. But they cannot find true peace. These places can just provide them temporary peace. However, Tapovan Takki Sahib is such a sacred place where you will find true inner peace not only at the eve of World Peace Day but throughout the year. This is a place with divine presence and meditations and the vibrations of meditation and prayer resonate through air. It provides peace not only to humans but also animals. It provides peace to those dumb creatures. You would have seen glimpses of Babaji holding snakes. Those poisonous creatures find peace when they touch sacred soil of this place. Gurbani says, Sant Pai Gur Satgur Pure. This means that I found true inner peace when I meet my true Guru. Today's day is chosen for children prayers dedicated to world peace. Spiritual knowledge is need of the time. Nowadays, schools are focusing on academic and extracurriculum activities. However, spiritual knowledge is lagging behind. Even some tutors hold the view based on scientific evidence and rationality, which leads them to question or disbelieve the presence of God. Now let's talk about peace. Peace, whether it is internal or external, is necessary for living. If we are cultivated with peace, we can help others. It radiates outward. If we lack peace, we become problem for others. We create conflicts. Peace is state of our soul. If any individual or any nation deny to follow the philosophy of live and let others live, it leads to conflicts. India and Pakistan issue, Ukraine and Russia war are all the examples of consequences that are arisen due to lack of principle of cooperation and peace. Now, what is the solution to all these problems? Negotiations are very good solution. We can have lot of examples. In Kalinga war, Ashoka regretted after war, but he regretted when he made massive destruction. Now, what are the solutions? Numerous world peace organizations are made, but their effectiveness is also dependent upon willingness of political leaders. How good it would be if all the national leaders think about this world instead of their ego. Undoubtedly, this world would be a wonderful place. Now, how we can achieve peace? Meditation is the best method to achieve peace. You can do meditation at your home. Moreover, if you want to learn new methods of meditation, you are welcome to Jap Tap Samagam of Tapovan Takki Sahib, which are held during every summer and winter vacations. Another method to achieve peace is prayer. Prayer is the powerful tool to foster peace. Now let's come along with Babaji and pray for peace of ourselves, of our family, our community, state, nation and this whole globe. Jagat Jalanda rakh ਲੈ apni kirpa tar jit dware ubare te tੈ leho ubar. It means, hey Lord, save this world that is entering into flames. Vaheguru Ji Ka Khalsa, Vaheguru Ji Ki Fateh.